Good. One more. Shape release, shape release. Then you're going to break to a trot for your weave through. Ask him to trot. And nice weave. Yep, just trot. Slow down, cowboy. Now left lead outside the cones. Yeah, it's okay. And you're only in a D ring, so you're not in your competition bit. That's right. He's like, hey, I'm supposed to weave these things fast. But the reason I'm doing this, now trot and do your weave through on the next one, since we're both talking. So the next one, we're going to break to a trot. I like how you're finishing. That's good. And now slow him down. Shorten your hands on the reins so you're horn high. And bump him 2 hands when he pushes off at you. Now outside the cone, right lead. There. 2 of those, please. Good. Yeah, with your hands down on the reins and keeping them horn high, you have a quicker control so he can't get away from you. Now break to a trot and weave through. Say easy. Good. If you need to slide your hand down the reins again, do a 2-hand check and slow him down. Pick him up for left lead again, outside the cones. Good. 2 of those. And then you're going to go towards the tree after you do 2 perfect circles. The reason we do this sometimes is to tune up these pole horses and let them know sometimes you're going to listen to me and do as I ask instead of just think about weave and poles. Go to the tree and loose rein, whoa. Whoa. Back him up a couple steps and pet him. Good boy. That was beautiful.